Hello there, welcome back. Look at the traffic. I'm at the Nice Road entrance towards Tumkur. So today where am I going? I'm headed towards Maidanahalli. I know there is a night curfew in place. Right now the time is 3:15. So Google Maps stopped working since the beginning of December. So I have downloaded the offline maps. So I'm headed towards Maidanahalli. Hopefully the offline map works. It shows around 130 kilometers from Bangalore and shows around 3 hours. The reason for choosing an evening drive is to capture the night sky. I thought today it will be clear sky as per the weather report. Okay. It's an angry security at the gates, manning the gates at the Nice Road entrance. Holiday season crowd, because as you can see, I spent around 15 minutes at the Bannerghatta Nice Road entrance. People are destined for their holiday or vacation or meeting their family wherever they are destined to. I wish them a happy journey. Poor guy manning the crowd, the weekend rush, the holiday rush. Another 84 kilometers to go from Maidanahalli. The destination, probably I'll be reaching there by around 5:59 or 6. Let's see if there is enough light to take pictures of Blackbucks. Another 60 kilometers to go. So it's a ride from Doddenahalli. So we'll reach the outskirts of Madhugiri and then we'll take a deviation to Maidanahalli. The Madhugiri Fort Hill, single largest monolithic rock in India, maybe in the world also. The entire hill is one rock. So this is the Maidanahalli or Jayamangali Blackbuck Conservation Reserve forest, and then another 1 kilometer. You see this board? This is what your destination should be like. You use this positioning in the map to reach this place, and you see this mud road. This goes for another 3 to 4 kilometers and it will go and reach another village. So on both sides of the road, of this mud road, is, so we are entering the Blackbuck, Jayamangali Blackbuck reserve. So both sides of this road is reserve forest, and it's an open grassland. And now you can correlate why I chose this place to do Nightscape, because it's a vast grassland with no buildings nearby, though there might be some stray light pollution coming from the nearby villages, but this is a pure pleasure of watching the night sky. I would say just this is a good place to do nightscape photography, star trails, with a focus on the North Pole star. Let me switch on the AC, lower the window. The birds have already roosted for the evening. That's me driving all the way from Bangalore. Exactly, it took me 3 hours. Just raw nature. What else you need? Be informed that there is no amenities here. We are to make this as a tourism spot, but again, it depends on what kind of people visit here. It's a pure grassland meant for blackbucks, and this is a few of the habitats that exist in India, where you need such vast grasslands for the deers or the blackbucks to maze the grass, and they need a lot of space to run. In fact, they can leap this road in one leap from this end to that end. They can just cross this road with just one leap. So very few habitats like this exist in India. There is one more Blackbuck reserve which is around 100 kilometers from here. Forgot the name. Last time I was there, when we went to Doddenahalli, we stopped over there, and we also took some good frames of blackbucks. The light is less now, so I will unmount my telezoom lens, and then I will put in my Rokinon 14mm f 2.8, which I usually use for the nightscape. I'll do certain long exposures, as well as I will do some time lapse, both on my DJ Osmo as well as Nikon. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Chandramouli, and you're on Mauli to Hear channel on YouTube. This is yet another weekend video on a long drive to Maidanahalli from Bangalore, and I have covered around 135 kilometers since morning. I started around 2 o'clock from my house, and I reached here by around 4:40, and I took a couple of small tea breaks in between, and I also tried some nightscape photography, long exposures. And right now I am inside the Jayamangali Blackbuck Reserve. I came here around 5, and I parked my vehicle inside the national park, and I'm using the car interior lights to shoot this video. It's very dark outside. It's yet to the sunrise is yet to happen, not sunset. I'm sorry. The sunrise is yet to happen. Right now the time is 6 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, it's still dark outside. I mounted my camera on tripod. I started the time-lapse videography. But guess what? After I started the hyperlapse on my DSLR, within 15 minutes fog and mist started to form. You know the formula to shoot time-lapse or hyperlapse in a DSLR for a minute. We will need frames for almost 2 hours. So with long exposures, with 15 or 20 seconds of long exposure, with 24 frames per second on a video, you can do the math. So you need at least some 3000 frames to form a minute of video of time lapse. But unfortunately, the start of the hyperlapse, within 15 minutes of capturing the frames, I've set it for 2 hours. Within 15 minutes, it's complete fog, and I'll just switch on the lights and show you how it looks like. And my camera is somewhere over there. It's capturing the hyperlapse, and yeah, just close my eyes. It's quite cold outside. Right now the temperature is 12 degrees centigrade outside. I'm waiting near the Harrier spot. So day before when I came here, so this was the spot that I found the pallid Harrier. Not sure it's Montago Harrier or pallid. Most probably it's pallid Harrier. I think I saw the male, which was the light steel grey kind of color. Never perched in any of the tree, any of the bushes. So it just flew past this way. So I'm waiting here, hoping that it might come back. Blackbuck activity is yet to start. I'll roam around for an hour and then I'll push back to Bangalore. I'll catch some sleep. So I started back to Bangalore, and today it was a good birding trip, I would say, because I got to close distance leaf bird, Brahmi starling, and bayback strike. All three at close encounters, sharp images, which I will be posting in this video. So I am concluding here, and I am returning back to Bangalore. On the way, I'm looking forward to stop for breakfast. See you then. Take care and be safe.